After a recent trip, I discovered that I needed a backrest for my long rides. I was able to find this one on Amazon for a decent price.
It's your boy, Preacher's Kid, coming back to you from the Amen Corner, taking a quick break from my V-Rod project to add a backrest to my girl Vixen. I took a trip up to the Blue Ridge Parkway, maybe about 2 weeks ago now, and realized, now keep in mind, I've ridden to Daytona from Charlotte, I've ridden to Myrtle Beach from Charlotte, as well as Knoxville, Tennessee from Charlotte. So I've done some long rides, a few road trips, but for some reason, that Blue Ridge Parkway in Daytona was 510 miles, I think, one way, about 8-9 hours, and then Myrtle Beach was about 3, Knoxville was about 4, and so I've done some long distance. Well, I say long distance. Some of you might say it's lightweight, but long for me. Always helps if you try to go the right way with it. But yeah, so it was only after the trip to the Blue Ridge Parkway that made me say, yeah, it's about time for a backrest. So here we are. So we will get that done today. Just go ahead and get size before I hit the okay. So, welcome back to the Amen Corner. About to take a quick Sunday ride down to Lancaster, South Carolina from Charlotte. But this will be my first trip with the Backrest. So, I'll be doing a review shortly.
Thank y'all for rocking and riding with me. Y'all be blessed.